Hello to everyone, and I will address how might we identify the most appropriate cellular therapy for patients with multiple myeloma. And we know that when we face with relapsed and refractory myeloma patients already exposed to proteasome inhibitors, IMiDs, and anti-CD38 monoclonal antibodies, the outcome is really very poor, and this population represents an unmet medical need. BCMA-targeted therapy emerged as a new possibility for these patients, and we can go through a BCMA-targeted therapy utilizing different approaches. It is possible to utilize antibody-drug conjugated, and belantamab mafodotin has been so far approved for relapsed and refractory myeloma patients after 4 therapies, including PIs, IMiDs, and anti-CD38 monoclonal antibodies. And belamaf is effective in these triple-class refractory myeloma patients with a response rate of approximately 30%, but important to note that the median duration of the response is of approximately 1 year, and we have to consider the keratopathy as well as the thrombocytopenia as the most relevant side effects. Together with this antibody-drug conjugated, we can target BCMA in these triple-drug class refractory myeloma patients through the BCMA CAR T-cells. And this possibility, this option of therapy is something new, but with a promising relapse in this population. We have results coming from ide-cel, a phase 2 pivotal clinical trial conducted basically in relapsed and refractory myeloma patients, and the overall response rate is almost 80%, with a median progression-free survival of approximately 9 months. And definitely these results indicate that BCMA CAR T-cell covered the unmet medical need. And cilta-cel, another BCMA CAR T, is also resulting in very promising efficacy results with over 90% of overall response rate and complete response rate of approximately 70%. From the toxicity point of view, we have to remark the cytokine release syndrome present in almost all patients, as well as a neurotoxicity and cytopenias, and we have to take care of infections. These 2 BCMA CAR T-cells, cilta-cel and ide-cel, will be available hopefully very soon in the clinic, and other new BCMA-targeted CAR T-cells are coming in different clinical trials. And together with the CAR T-cells and the bispecific, in the CAR T, we have the bispecific monoclonal antibodies. And there is, I would say, a long list of different BCMA bispecific monoclonal antibodies, resulting also quite effective in this triple drug class refractory population, with the overall response rate ranging from 70 up to 80%. But data are much more immature at this moment, and we don't have any data in terms of durability of the response. And from the safety point of view, we have to consider cytokine release syndrome as well as a neurotoxicity, but I would say that these side effects are less frequently reported in comparison with BCMA CAR Ts.